All right, Lucas Garage here. We've got the board track racer finished. Maybe a few little details here and there. As you've seen in the video, we got it running. Runs pretty good, I guess, for what it is. I don't know nothing about these performance of these little motors, but it pulls my big ass around this place, so it's all we can ask for. Got the tank finished. For anybody who's made these gas tanks before, hats off to you, man. It's a pain, but I really like the look of it. Came out pretty cool. Like I said before, that's a stock muffler. I just put a car tailpipe around it. Looks better to me than that muffler that just sticks off and hangs down right here. But yeah, she runs. All right, guys, y'all be safe.